They're gonna be really excited that you're back, so maybe you should start.
Yay!
Shut up, DJ!
Quiet on the set, guys.
He just slowly closes the door.
It's like a polite,
He's
like
crying in there.
I know.
hey guys. That's all I got.
Hi guys, welcome back to Comic Commentary. Reunited and it feels so good. Reunited
and it's understood.
I get knocked down, but I get up again, and they never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again.
So this is where you go through your comments all throughout the week, and we read them, and we talk about them, and we discuss things, and it's going to be a lot of fun. But before we get to that, we want to talk about our brand new Facebook banner photo that you can see if you go to Facebook and you like our page, which you should do. But the brand new banner photo comes from
Alex Kane. Woo! He's on the set of some like independent movie with zombies or some shit, and look at him. He's not afraid.
Yeah, he doesn't care.
What if he's not? What if he's actually with zombies and he's pleading for help?
What if he's not on a movie set? And what if he's not with zombies and that's just what him and his friends do?
Guys, what if he's related to Michael Caine?
Michael Caine.
SourceFed.
The Lamborghini.
What do we do if we fall, Master Bruce?
Can you imagine Michael Caine takes the spot of Doc Brown, and it's Michael Caine and Marty McFly running around.
88 miles per hour.
Oh, great Scott.
Great Scott.
When this hits 88 miles per hour, you're going to see some
1.21.
serious shit.
I'm not quite sure if that's correct because I usually work in kilometers.
Gigawatts. Hello.
So, thanks, Alex Kane.
Hey, here's the other things that you guys did for us. Reunited and it feels so good.
I get
knocked down.
We all look at Steve's brand new iPhone 5S.
Oh, stop it. We're not talking about my brand new iPhone 5S that I just got. Space gray is the color.
Here, let's
Space
demonstrate
gray.
the slow-mo. I'll go off camera and I'll do something and then you show
Oh,
them.
that's a great idea. Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Loving this slow-mo. And go.
That's going to be real good.
Yeah, that's going to be great.
So do we send that to just like through email? Or?
Yeah, I'll send it to Norg.
Through the cloud, I think, so you send it.
Cool. It's no big deal. It only costs like $150 a week
Put it
or
like
something.
the FireWire or whatever.
Yeah, we'll just put it in the mainframe.
Yeah, just plug it into the interface.
Just as long as you have the CD.
Mainframe.
You've all realized today we have horrible Michael Caine
Yeah.
impressions.
Yeah, we're about.
Not a single one of us can do it.
Hello, Michael Caine!
That's your, who was that? That
David
song?
Beckham.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's hear everybody.
Hello,
Can you do Dame Judi Dench?
Hello, my name is Dame Judi Dench. Dame Judi Dench. Come over to England, we'll throw another shrimp on the bob.
Loudest human-generated sound. The Seattle Seahawks fans roared into the record books with a 136.6 decibel scream, and we asked you guys, what's the loudest sound that you've ever heard? And you answered.
Pepito X64 said me after stepping on a Lego.
Okay, no, we're never reading Lego comments.
Yeah, we're done with the Lego comments.
I'm done with them.
Is this a memo that I missed?
I think it's like
just
a weird, stupid Reddit internet meme.
Well,
thing.
it's
Thing,
common
something
knowledge
happens.
that stepping on a Lego is like the worst thing ever, and it really is.
I'd
but
rather
we
step on a
don't
Lego
know
than
that.
stub my toe. But if we're not,
Fact.
if we're not discussing Legos, I
Are you
understand.
serious? Have you
Yeah.
ever stepped on a Lego?
Have you ever
Yeah.
stubbed your toe so hard that you're like incapacitated?
Have you guys
depends on
ever
what
heard
kind
the
of
wolf
Lego.
cry to the blue corn
Corn
moon?
moon? Have you ever heard-
danced with the devil in the pale moonlight?
Have you ever watched the grinning bobcat while he grinned?
Have you guys ever been to Kmart or? Can I tell you guys the loudest sound I heard was that big freaking gun that Richard Ryan had us all fire.
Oh,
Comfort
yeah.
Zone
When
episode.
you're right next to it?
That was intense, and I even had my. All right, what the? Are we professionals here? Or?
Didn't we fumigate?
It's,
no.
Is there a goddamn cricket in here? What do we got here? Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
Gonna have to call you back.
Oh, okay.
Recording.
Yeah.
The word
yeah.
professional just scrawled across
Yeah.
the bottom of the
Also,
screen.
it's really important for you to not switch it to silent once you put it down.
Oh yeah.
Haley Neal says, at orientation for my freshman year of college, they had us do a team building exercise where we had to all blow up a balloon and then sit on it to pop it. They wanted it to sound like fireworks or something and make us feel united.
What?
I guess. It was ridiculously loud. I just had a friend bite mine and slowly let the air drain out instead. Not a team player.
That
Not
is
a team-
so weird.
Yeah, but in
also
fairness,
kind of a team.
at least identifying lame things.
Did
Yeah.
they bite on while you were sitting on it? That'd be weird.
Guys, you're overlooking the weirdest part of this, which is they all sat on balloons to feel united. Was this a clown school or something?
Everybody,
No,
get your
it's
council.
Harvard.
Joe, aren't babies super loud? Like babies have the loud.
Yeah,
like, super
they
loud.
say like from an evolutionary standpoint, the sound, the pitch they make, we've grown to where it scrambles your brain. It gets to the
No.
point where you can't think properly if they cry too long and too loud, and that's why we freak out. It's
Is that
I
why-
got to make this thing better, not just to keep this thing alive, this little flesh sack, but also I don't want to listen to this anymore.
Is that where all the baby shaking stuff comes from? When they're like, don't shake the baby? Have you ever shook the baby?
They never shook the baby.
Have you
can't
thought about
shake the
shaking the baby?
Probably thought about shaking the baby.
Wait, what's wrong with shaking a baby?
Yeah,
Why can't you do
because
that?
it's you like
You know, you
like,
just
it
snap their
hurts
little
them.
fragile spine, create brain damage.
But like when people can't get their baby to cry, like I've held a crying baby for like more than like where you're like I changed your diaper, I fed you,
I
done
don't know what to
everything,
do.
I don't
Yeah.
know what to do.
Learn
And
to
it does, like,
communicate.
"Oh,
Anything
it's gotta
more than
help
even
you."
20 minutes, like you start panic. You're like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I've done everything, and then they'll stop it. Like, oh, you're so precious and adorable. Then you run away. And you start a new family.
Scientists discovered transparent snail all alone inside of a cave by itself, and the scientists have discovered a new species of snail living by its lonesome in this cave, all by itself. It has a clear, translucent shell because it lives in a cave and it has no one to impress. That's a snarky one-liner.
What do you think that snail is doing in there?
Just probably just snailing about.
You guys think that he was thinking of shelling his property and moving away? Snailed it.
I hope that picks up on the audio, just you whispering.
We'll just have
Snailed it.
All of our funny lines are given to us by Nora.
By Nora.
Yeah, Nord writes everything. on
Snailed
his
it.
I like
It's like-
him just like lackadaisical sitting there going, snailed it, snailed it.
Matt Edwards says a bunch of eggs from Alien, and just as you get there, they
Oh,
start
yeah.
to open. Face huggers, no.
Oh,
Lord.
dude, facehuggers are the scariest.
Yeah.
Seriously, because
Could you
there's
imagine
nothing you
just
can
panic,
do.
Pandemonium.
The worst thing about the facehugger is that once it latches onto your face, that thing comes out
Yeah.
and goes all the
Yep,
way down
yep,
your throat
yeah.
into your chest.
I like those people that get face hugged and then they like get away from it. And it's like, okay, this thing was down inside my belly, but everything's fine now. We'll be fine. Let's go
Yeah.
back to the spaceship.
Yeah.
Well, eventually it just falls off of you. Are you talking about Kane in Alien?
Huh? I'm just saying, like,
Oh my gosh. Keep saying what you're saying, but I
no,
got the
move
worst
on.
one.
Now you're way
Yes,
more
please.
interesting than us.
Babbling Banter said the scariest thing to find alone in a cave would be a weeping angel.
Whoa!
What demented type of person thought of that?
Wait,
That's
it's-
horrifying.
It's from Doctor Who.
Oh, really? God dang it, all these freaking pop culture references.
But let's not treat it like a pop culture reference. Let's just think if it was an actual.
Yeah, if it was
human
an
on Earth.
actual
like,
weeping
crying
angel.
Yeah, that's what.
Like a huge
what is it?
angel
What
just
Doctor
weeping.
Who? What is? Explain the thing to me.
It's a statue of an
Nope.
angel.
Not scary
okay?
anymore.
Not
No,
scary
hang on. It
anymore.
actually is really scary. It looks like normal, and then when you turn away and turn back, it's like in a different position, like closer to you.
Oh, classic.
Oh.
And if
that
you
is-
blink, it like can move during your blink. It's really cool.
It's really cool. It is really scary. Oh.
Yeah, really scary. 'cause
Super
then it has
pissed
like a
that
face.
it's a reference.
Is that scarier
pretty
than
darn
a
scary.
weeping angel that like
just
validates
crying.
the existence of heaven and hell?
And also,
Undeniable proof.
docile, harmless. Like there's something to be said for things that
Yeah.
are harmless that are way scary.
In my opinion, angels are like huge, like Prometheus guys.
I feel
that
like-
are jacked.
Maybe an angel's a puppy.
I feel like, in my opinion, probably like an angel is probably closer to just like my wife.
Aww.
What'd you do? What'd you do to say that?
how
What,
much
what are
trouble
you
are
in
you in?
trouble? Are you in
know.
a lot of trouble?
I just put that in the bank and I'll deposit it later.
So we talked about bizarre sex facts and a bunch of sexy sex facts via the sexy Huffington Post, via a sexy book, via a sexy British quiz show. I was actually in that video.
Yeah.
The quiz question we asked you guys is, what interesting sex facts do you know?
Mr. Josh said snails mate by the male firing semen darts at the female, which the female then absorbs through the skin.
Snailed it.
Can I tell you the other day?
Fire Chameleon 1121 said sex fact. There are about 7 cases of dolphin rape a year, and the dolphins. There's no way to quantify that. There's no way to quantify.
Yeah, you
that.
put him on,
wait,
you
wait,
put
wait.
him on the stand.
So, you know, we
You
asked
put
him,
him on the stand.
we said, tell us your most interesting sex facts, and then I said, I don't care if you make it up, we're not gonna double check.
Great.
Oh, so this could
I'm
be-
calling no on this, but it says there are about 7 cases of dolphin rape a year. Dolphin rape a year.
Dolph Lundgren rape. Dolph rape.
And a dolphin's ejaculation is so strong it can tear through human flesh and would kill a human female who tried to mate with it.
I'm gonna choose to believe this is true.
I'm gonna believe all this
Why
is
not?
true.
Projon Phoenix says men have 3 testicles. You have to pull on your left one real hard to make it come down. Then push on your right nipple 3 times. Once done, you will feel imminent sense of regret. Imminence. I want to know what that is. Is that a feeling you could create?
I wish you would have
Immediate
just
feeling of
stopped it.
importance.
You got to tug on your left foot. It comes down.
Real
There were so many
hard.
kids at home just going,
Yeah, so it's ow! Hey, what would you ever need a 3rd ball for?
I don't know.
Hold on, guys, really quick. Ugh, all right, let's do
Just
this.
to like complete that little stress reliever ball thing.
Yeah. The office toy. Fizbik2 said sex fact. Butter is an acceptable substitute for lube, condoms, and babies.
What? Wait, so I could push a baby carriage with butter
Butter
in
in
it?
it?
That'd be all right?
It would be totally fine.
People
Nobody
would be
would
like,
think
oh,
it's
cute baby.
Your wife can go out in public
butter,
and
but
it should
that's
be
acceptable.
socially acceptable for her to pull her breast out and take just a tub of butter. And
There's
like
a
it-
run on Country Crock. Why is there a run on Country Crock?
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it's not baby.
All right, guys, that has been Comment Commentary. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Lee Newton. This is Elliot's foot and Stevie's foot and Joe's hand. Oh, rub, 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 rub. So, guys, we have a lot of stuff coming up this weekend. What do we have?
I think we're going to do a blooper on Saturday and a blooper on Sunday. You cool with that, Nord?
Cool.
Is that good? Does that work?
Yeah,
Can we do that?
whatever.
So I think we're going to have 2 bloopers for you this weekend, and then there'll be some stuff on Nerd, including...
Yeah, we got our movie club where Trisha and Meg watched the Katy Perry movie, and also
Mark your calendars.
Trisha and Ross went to go see the
The Prisoners.
The
That's
Prisoners.
Yeah,
That
I really
movie.
wanna see it.
It's supposed to
jealous.
be great.
Yeah.
I hear
Supposed to
great
be
things. Accolades. I'm
Nostra-nomination.
hearing
Yeah, I
buzz.
think it's gonna be really good.
And because we are just
Wolverine.
fascinated with Steve's iPhone slow-mo capabilities, we're going to end with one of those. So we're going to walk away, and then we're going to cut to that video. So I hope you're prepared. We're not leaving
not
without
leaving.
a proper goodbye, other than this one goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you
And now
later.
we're gonna show you a treat. So let's go do it. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go do it.
Fucking hell, yeah.